Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a toilet brush. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here is like a feedback and thank you card. Right here we do have the handle part and something else. Let's open up first. So they basically provide you guys the handle option right here. So all you need to do is just screw it together. Screw it all the way in, and we'll put it on the other side in a second. So you see inside, they do provide you guys this adhesive option where you stick it onto the wall. You can see right here. And then for this part right here, you guys want to put it into the back. But right here, you can see we do have the actual product. And you see in the front, we do have the brand logo. Bottom part right here, you can see we do have the hole or the gap for the water to actually drip out when you guys actually draining it. That part right here is basically where you guys want to put on the adhesive tape. And then stick it onto the wall or wherever you guys want to. But it's not required for you guys to use that if you guys don't want to. The inside right here, you can see we do have the brush. So let's take it out. Here is basically what the inside looks like. And here is the product. So you see the material that's on here is like a silicone material. So that way the product is flexible. And that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you to clean your toilet when you guys are actually using it, which is pretty interesting. So if you guys want to dig deep into your toilet bowl, you do have the option available. But basically both sides look the same. And then for this part right here is where you guys want to insert into the handle. So just like this, just screw it on. Alright, so you guys are all set. And you basically stick it back inside right here. And here is basically what the product looks like. So because the material that's on here is a silicone material, it is bendable like I mentioned, but it's really easy for you to clean as well because the water will fall off really easily. And also because of the fact that how the product is bendable, you do have the option to put it into the little hole in your toilet bowl, or you can reach it on the side of the toilet bowl as well, which is pretty cool. But definitely love the fact that how the product is so compact and portable, so that way you can bring it along with you guys anywhere you want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's go test this out to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's test it out to see how it works. So you guys take it out. You guys can basically start using it to clean the inside or the side or wherever. So let's go like this. You guys can dig all the way in there if you guys do want to. And then you guys do have the option to clean underneath it. And when you guys bend it, you can definitely see how flexible the product is. So you can definitely use it to reach the places that are really hard. So inside like right here or something. And when you guys rinse it, it's actually very easy. All you need to do is just run some water onto it. So let's turn the water. Just rinse it really easy like this. If you guys want to put soap on here, feel free to use soap. But once you guys are done, you can stick it back on top. So just like this. And it's all set. So very easy and very simple to use it. And it's actually very space saving as well. Welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test of the product and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So the way how they designed the product definitely works a lot better and it's easier for you to maintain the product. Compared to like the older version of the toilet brush, this one is actually much better because of the silicone material, the way how they design it, and also the fact that how it's so compact and portable. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality toilet brush that's super compact and portable and has a similar design as this one right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.